Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Catapult Sway Reverse Walkaround. Knowing how to do a catapult and a sway would be useful, and even doing a catapult sway would be helpful, though not necessary, but we'll put links to all those things in the description below, so if you need to go back and fill in any technique, you're going to be able to find it easily. So without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So that's the fella. Let's break it down. It starts off like a standard catapult, so it's right to right, we go semicircle back, we sweep the lady through, and we're going into the lean. We need to roll the hand so we're not on the outside of the hand, we need to roll to go inside of the hand, so we're palm up, thumb towards the lady. The other hand we're going to offer in an unusual way as well. We're actually going to offer it palm outwards to the left with the thumb up, which will entice the lady to take it on the inside edge. So the guy's actually got his fingers pointing outwards, the lady's going to come round the outside of the hand but with palm pointing inwards, which is going to feel very different to usual, because it's now going to feel like the guy's in the middle and the lady's on the outside. From here we're going to actually do our lean, start the lady walking forwards, the guy's going to move to the left, lifting the left hand up, so it's going to go over his head, and that is effectively mirror image of the exit into a Catapull. So I'll stick a link to the Catapull in there as well, just in case you want to go back and do that one. We walk the lady forwards, we're going to bring the right hand between us, the left goes over the lady's head, we're turning the lady to the left, we pick up the lady's far hip, so we're actually turning to our left into a sway position, but with the lady having momentum forwards, and then we're going to walk for 2, guys backwards, ladies forwards. How much rotation you get is up to you, but at some point you're going to let go with the left, you're going to pop the right elbow, so in other words you're just straightening the arm without letting go, so you send the lady out, hang on with the hand, brings the lady to face, return and back. Let's do the same thing from this side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweeping 2, altering the hand as we come through and out into the lean, and offer outwards 3, over the head 4, wrap into the sway 5, walking 6 and 7, send the lady away 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right. 5, 6, catapult sway, reverse walk around. It's a back, sweep, offer, over, wrap, walk, walk, away, look, return and back. And that's the whole thing. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you find that one useful. And it works well for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, subscribing helps promote the channel, so big thank you to everyone who subscribes, and if you hit the notification bell you'll get notified every time a new video comes out so you never miss anything. There's a music recommendation on the end in the last few seconds of the video. There's some windows that come up. One of those is a music video, and that music video will be of a tune that is good to do this move to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.